Hello friends, I am Dr. Harsha Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor from Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani, Maharashtra. In my previous video, we discussed about history of Payment of Wages Act. In this video, we will discuss applicability of the act and what do we mean by wages. So let us start with the topic. According to section 1 clause 4, the Payment of Wages Act is applicable to tramways services, motor transport that are carrying passengers or goods. The act is also applicable to air transport services. It is applicable to dock, wharf or jetty, inland vessels that are mechanically propelled. The act is also applicable to mines, quarries or oil fields. The act is equally applicable to plantations, workshops which include places where articles are produced, manufactured or adopted. The act is applicable to establishments where work relates to construction, development and maintenance of building, road, bridges and canals. Now let us go to the most important part. What do you mean by wages? Many of the enactments relating to wages refer that for the purpose of wages, please see the definition given under the Payment of Wages Act. Therefore, it is important to understand what do we mean by wages. Section 2, clause 6 defines wages means and includes all remuneration यानी कि पारिश्रमिक payable by way of salary, allowances or otherwise expressed in terms of money. जो भी payment that is paid in terms of money is included in remuneration or wages. Wages also includes remuneration payable under award for settlement order of a court. कोर्ट के ऑर्डर या सेटलमेंट के तहत अगर कोई रेम्यूनरेशन पेएबल है तो उसे भी वेजेस कहा जा सकता है. वेजेस ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स रेम्यूनरेशन फॉर ओवरटाइम वर्क और हॉलीडे लीव पीरियड. Wages also include additional remuneration that is payable under terms of employment called bonus or any other name. यानी कि रेम्यूनरेशन में अगर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट में बोनस या फिर और किसी नाम से अगर कोई रेम्यूनरेशन पेएबल है वो भी वेजेस में डिफाइन किया गया है, इंक्लूड किया गया है. वेजेस मीन्स और वेजेस ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स एनी सम, कोई भी अमाउंट जो कि एम्प्लॉय को पेएबल है उसके सर्विसेज के टर्मिनेट होने के बाद में. After termination of services of employee, any sum that is payable to the employee is also covered by the definition of wages. Besides this, wages also include any sum which is covered under any scheme under any other act. Now let us see what wages does not or what wages do not include. Wages do not include bonus, that bonus which is not part of remuneration. If the bonus is simply paid as profit sharing, that is not remuneration, that is not wages. But if bonus is part and parcel of remuneration, it will be covered by the definition of wages. Wages also do not include value of house accommodation, supply of water or supply of light, medical attendance if it is provided by the employer. Wages also do not include travelling allowance, generally called as TA, or travelling allowance concession. If instead of paying travelling allowance, if concession is paid, that is also not covered by the definition of wages. Wages specifically do not include gratuity. Thank you friends for watching the video. Thank you very much.